Good morning, lovely people. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Today I'm bringing you in because I'm going to be making what we call un pastelón de plátano. In this case, going to be plátano maduro or alcoholado because they're not 100% yellow. They're like in between, and that's how I like them because they're in between yellow and green. I like this because when they're too ripe, then your plátano absorbs too much of the water, and I don't like that. So I have already peeled them and cut them, and as you can see, they're all about the same size. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the stove until they're tender, and then I'll bring you back and show you what I do with them. One more thing, you need to add salt. I normally add salt to taste. I just gauge it, so I don't really, measure anything. And I think that's enough. If at the time of mashing them I feel it needs a little bit more, then I'll add a little bit more, but that's all I'm gonna do. I have here some mozzarella cheese. This is optional, you don't have to use. I have here some meat that I had done the other day, and you can really season this to taste. I normally use 3 types of meat when I'm making any kind, whether I'm making lasagna or I'm making tacos or whatever the case may be. I use a mix of pork, turkey, and turkey sausage meat. That's what I use here. It is best if your meat is done the day before, so it could be kind of cold and let out all the extra fat, drain it. What's in here is onions, garlic, peppers, oregano, salt, and I also added a one of those gluten-free taco mix seasoning to mine. But honestly, you can just season it whatever your taste buds dictate. Okay, it doesn't have to be the way I made it or the way I seasoned it. I also add sofrito to mine. You make it your own, whatever it is that you like. So I just wanted to explain that because, like I said, I'll get someone asking me, well, you didn't show how you season it or how you make the meat, etc. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on how I did this. Okay guys, so our plátanos are ready. I'm gonna put some of the water here, the water that I used to boil this in case I need some later. Hold on, let's throw this out. Okay, let me just get a little bit of that hot water. There we go. I don't need a lot. It's all drained. Here, we'll do a mix of butter and olive oil. Since I don't have enough butter, that's fine. It's not a big deal. I'm going to mash it up. Can you see that? See that it looks a little bit dry. That's why you save some of the water. Okay, so let me go. Put you back here again. Oops, this is hot. Add some of my water. Come here, water. It's not, it is hot. So there you go. And that's gonna help me. This is almost like when you do mashed potato that you add milk instead. In this case, we're adding the hot water that we use to cook these in. Olive oil. Here's some minced garlic, excuse me, that I put, and I add a little bit of what do you call it? Grapeseed oil is what's in here. And that's how I keep it from going bad in my fridge. And I'm just gonna add, I'm not gonna add a lot because I don't want it to overpower my whole, well, maybe 2 teaspoons. I don't know. Yeah. There you go. So that is it. And now we're gonna get to mashing and getting it ready. Okay guys, so I'm finished mashing my plátanos. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil here, and then I'm gonna start assembling it. Let me just show you real quick. And you're just gonna do 2 layers. You don't wanna add too much oil, but just enough. So all you're gonna do is spread evenly your oil all over your pan. Coat your pan so it doesn't stick, and it'll be easy for you to cut when it's done. Okay, like you see me do here. It's important that you get the corners here because that's where it tends to stick. So you want to make sure that you get those very well so it goes in nicely. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of the plátanos and I'm going to put a layer on and I'm just going to go like this. See me do here, mashing it. So you see that. Now I'm going to add my meat. Meat is frozen, but the meat has a lot of flavor, you guys. So it'll be awesome with this. And once it starts, because I got to put it in the oven, once it starts warming up, getting warm, it'll release more of the juices of the meat and it's going to seep through the plátano. It's going to be totally amazing. So now you see what this looks like. The next step is, and again, it's optional. You don't have to add cheese, but I like it. So I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. I'm going to add some cheese like so. Add as much or as little as your little heart dictates. We're going to add the next layer of plátanos. This is going to be amazing, you guys. Amazing. Where's my avocado oil? I'm sorry, guys. I look a hot mess. I'm not here to win the beauty pageant. I'm here to cook. Okay, so here we go. This is avocado oil. Okay, good and good. Now I'm going to stick it in the oven at 350 and I'll bring you back when it's done. Guys, so here you have it. I put it on broil for a little bit just to give it some color in the top. And now let me show you what it looks like. Can you see that? Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. We're going to wait for it to cool down a little bit before I serve it. I normally pair it up with a green salad, but I don't have that right now, or avocado. I don't have either, so we're gonna eat it just like that, you guys. But there you go. That's what it looks like. It looks amazing. I can't wait. And here you have it, guys. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely delicious. You must give this a try. Let me show you here. There it is. It's really delicious. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.